Hi students, today we will discuss about the sample size calculation. In medical research, determining the appropriate sample size is a critical step in study. A study with too few participants may fail to detect the real effect, while one with too many participants may waste resources and expose more subjects. There are three ways to calculate the sample size: by using formulas, manual calculation, by using sample size tables available on the internet, and by using different softwares like OpenAP and QueryPass, etc. In this video lecture, we use OpenAP software for sample size calculation. So we type in Google OpenAP and this interface comes and we press OpenAP menu. In OpenAP menu, we see the left side, the sample size. When we open sample size window, we show the sample size. The first one is proportion, the second one is unmatched case control, and the third one is cohort and RCT, and the last one is mean differences. When we press in sample size proportion, this interface comes. When we click unmatched case control, then show this interface, and when we click cohort and RCT interface, and when we click the mean difference window is open. The first one, sample size for a proportion or descriptive study. This model calculates sample size for determining the frequency of a factor in a population. Sample size are provided for confidence level from 90% to 99.99%. A finite population correction will be applied if the population size is not large. For samples that are not random or systematic, a design effect other than one may be entered. The calculated sample size multiplied by the design effect. Here we calculate the sample size for descriptive and proportion. For sample size of a proportion or descriptive study, we consider an objective to determine career choice of medical students of public sector medical universities and factors affecting their career choices. For this objective, we consider a reference article, recent trend in specialty choice of medical students and house officers from public sector medical university, Karachi. We consider this article for sample size calculation. Here we first open the sample size proportion formula and press the calculate button, and in reference article table 2 we take internal medicine, which is the highest frequency of first choice of medical students, which is internal medicine, 15.1%. So we put 15.1% in anticipated frequency and press the calculate button. Here we uh, the sample here our sample size was 95%. At the 95% confidence level is 197 students, and 99% 341 students we require for these objectives. If our objective is find the frequency of the medical student choices, and the um, second objective is influencing factors. So so here prestige in working in that field major factor for selecting any specialty choice, which is 84.7%. So we put for the factor calculation this percentage, 84.7% for prestige of the field. Here calculated sample size is at 200 at 95% confidence interval and 344 for 99.99 percentage.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.